So what are we doing today?
So right now, we are on our way to the Fashion District. We're going to do a little snippet of the day in the life of Shea Lion. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what I do on the days that I do come down to the district and buy. Take you to some of the vendor spots, show you how I pick out my stuff, and then we'll go from there. Look around. Today I don't really know exactly what I'm shopping for. Whatever I see that fits my customer style, I feel like. So stay tuned. What's really important when you shop, when you're a buyer, is your relationship with your vendors. You have to have a good rapport with your vendors. That's most important. Like just buying the clothes and picking them out that's the easy part. You have to have a good relationship with your vendors. So I buy in outfit details. That's how I started the store, so I have to keep that momentum. So this is one piece. So before I buy it, I have to think about how I'm going to put it together, how it's going to look when I photograph it. Like all of those things matter. So yes, I'm sitting here trying to figure out like, how am I going to slay this sweatshirt for my girl? I would definitely say it was a successful trip. I found a few pieces. I wasn't too sure what I was looking for today. I just knew I needed to find something to catch my eye. So yeah, every day isn't going to be the same. Sometimes I know what I'm looking for. Sometimes I don't. That all goes into, buying. But everyone is different. So guys, thanks for hanging out with me. A little snippet of what goes into the day in the life of a buyer. Catch more at the Fashion Garment District Tour, which is being held March 12th. Couple weeks. Get your tickets if you haven't already done so. And make sure you bring the vibes, the energy, all that good stuff. Because it's going to be lit.